are here to do a review of stuff. This is your host, Microwave Mouth number 2. Over here's my boy, Microwave Mouth number 1. Introduce yourself.
Hello.
Which one are you?
Number 1.
Just like that one character, Nacho Libre.
Thank you.
So now it's time to talk about where we are. We're here at the wonderful restaurant Casa Maria's out in Chouteau, Oklahoma. And we are going to be eating food. And we're going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Isn't that right, Microwave Mouth number 1?
Mm-hmm.
First thing we're going to rate are these chips. They seem very delectable. No one has salted them either. So let's try these. Wow. That was fantastic. What do you think?
Heavenly.
Chips. Solid, a solid 10.5 out of 10. I'm going in for a second bite. Microwave Mouth number 1.
Where they got the quesadillas
Please
at?
rate the salsa on a scale of 1 to 10.
Where they got the quesadillas at? 7.
Nice. I just realized I've been filming this in portrait mode the whole time. You know what we'll do? We'll slap a cool background on it, and we'll just make it work.
Jacob. Our logo.
Our logo. Dang straight.
Jacob, where they got the quesadillas at?
On the menu.
Looking for me like
Oh, speaking of which.
Yes.
Yes, I would like the pollo con queso, please. Thank you so much.
The Pollo Casa Maria, please. Bro, have you even touched it?
Got our queso. So because Microwave Mouth number 1 tasted the salsa and rated it, I'm going to taste the queso and rate it. So here we go.
Thank you.
That looks like banana pudding.
Mom looks like banana pudding.
She doesn't.
Okay, that's a
Thank you, sir.
solid 10. Solid 10, bro. This place, good queso. Best queso this side of Highway 69. Dang straight. Microwave Mouth number 1. Explain to me what your drink is over there.
Are you gonna finish there?
This is horchata. It is the combination of rice, milk, and cinnamon.
What would you rate it out of 10?
10.
10? Thank you, Microwave Mouth number 1. Tea, please. Amen. We also have the absolute pleasure of having a very special guest, actually 2 very special guests with us here at our first food review. We have Anthony from Freezer Feet.
It's freezer feeding time.
So, you guys are in the process of filming your latest film.
Freezer feed endgame, yes.
So, how would you rate that out of 10?
11.
That's my favorite doctor.
Mine too.
How would you rate the food
Mine
so far?
3.
10. These chips, dude. These chips and this queso.
So joined with Caleb number 4, as he puts himself, from the hit channel Cabinet Hands. Got anything to say? Got anything to say at all? Anything at all? Food is so good here that sometimes we don't even pay attention to what we're doing.
And I wear them for the rest of the day.
So, Mr. Freezer Feet himself, how would you rate your chimichanga?
Pretty good kisser. 9. I haven't actually tried it yet, but I've made out with it, so. It's pretty hot.
The presentation is fantastic. I love the way the plate looks. What about you? What do you think? All right. Now we're gonna try a taste. So number 1, we're gonna try to taste one of the pieces of chicken here. Let's try the chicken. Chicken's good. Try some beans. Beans are good. Let's try the rice. Rice is good. All of it's pretty good. I'd give it a rating of a pretty good out of 10. So, overall, the food looked appetizing, sounded appetizing, everything was good, fantastic, epic, awesome, cool, maybe? I don't know about that one. But, anyway, I would rate it solid 10. Solid 10. Highly recommend Casa Maria's in Chouteau, Oklahoma. Pretty good stuff. Pretty good stuff. How about you, microwave mouth number 1? Clean plate means happy plate. Oh, I guess we know what that rating means. Food coma out of 10. So because microwave mouth number 1, yeah, that's honestly a handful. Let's just call him by his real name, John. So because John got into a food coma, we had to carry him out of the restaurant and into the car, but we didn't really want to set him up and put him in a seatbelt and stuff. So we decided to stick him in the back of my car. So you know, he's there. He's in a food coma. We're gonna have to take him inside now, but boys, would you be willing to help me? I can't personally because I'm filming. Yep. All right, there you go. There you go. All right, we'll cut to when he's in the house. Okay, so we're in the house now, and we set him right there because it's a soft pad. The boys, good work. You two getting him in. That was a lot of work, especially on my part. I had to open the doors. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching food review for Casa Maria's. So he woke up.
Here, I'll fix it.
He woke up. No! 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 Okay, there's violence going on in the house. Okay, well, we'll see you next time for the next food review. Oh no! So, Mr. Freezer Feet himself.